Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your impact.com affiliate payout statements, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your impact.com affiliate payout statements, start by logging into your impact.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the reports section in the dashboard. In the reports section, look for the payout statements option. Click on payout statements to access your list of available statements. You will see a summary of your past payout statements, organized by date. Identify the payout statement you wish to back up. Click on the specific statement to open it in detail. Once the statement is open, locate the download button. Click the download button to initiate the download process. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or CSV. After selecting the format, open the downloaded file to verify the information. Confirm that all data is accurate and complete before proceeding. Next, navigate to the folder on your device where you want to save the backup. Create a dedicated folder for easy access to your payout statements. Move the downloaded file into this folder for organization. To ensure additional backup, consider uploading the file to a cloud storage service. Services like Google Drive or Dropbox provide a secure solution for backup. Log into your chosen cloud storage service. Upload the payout statement file to your account. Organize it within a specific folder dedicated to your impact.com documents. Lastly, remember to repeat this process regularly to stay updated on your payout statements. Consistent backups will help ensure you have access to your important financial documents whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for